Good morning, everyone. I have two of what are called the Keni radios. As you can see, there's a tape in there. There's the speaker, and on the top you have all that you can do with it. You can do tapes, AM and FM radio, and there's the antenna also. And on the back is where you put batteries. There are 4 very large batteries. And this is portable, of course. You can lift up the back and take it around like this if you choose. That's the antenna. Now, what I did, I have 2 of these. This is the black one, okay? And that black one I purchased on February 5th, 2025. But then I got a red one, which looks like this, as you can see. It does the exact same things, except it's a little smaller in size. I do not have batteries in here, but you have this plug-in in the back that you can plug in anywhere with this little cord right here, and you can play on there what you want. But what I noticed about this one, oh, by the way, this red one I purchased later. This was on February 15th, 2025. So that one you can plug in. But what I noticed about these, if you put tapes in them, when you open the tape player here, as you can see I'm opening it right there, the tapes you put in here will not take some of the larger tapes. So I have to be careful of what tapes I use with this. Now, I also have a tape player here, which is the Studebaker, and that's a place where I can record on instead of the usual recording place, and you have AM, FM radio on here as well. And there's the little speaker, and it has a fine job. So what I did, I took the tape out of here this morning, and I put it in this big red ones, so I can play both. Now, for example, this means tape when you push it all the way back here. Then when you push it up here, it becomes radio. So if I push it all the way back to tape, then I push this, which is to rewind. You'll see right on there it says rewind. So if I rewind that, I'm going to push that now, you can hear it tape rewinding. Now let's stop that. Let's play a little bit and I can deal with volume. Volume is here, and that's for radio. But let's play a little and see if I get anything.
Moore said he's going to impose a 10 or 15% across the board tariff. That'll be temporary. We'll see, what happens next. But I got to tell you, this economy right now is booming. Thanks to Trump's policy.
This is the tape from the Studebaker machine that I have now on my machine called Keni. G Keni. G-Keni. These I purchased twice. One is the red one on February 15th, 2025, and this is the black one I'm using now. I purchased on February 5th, 2025. This one I'm using now takes 4 of the gigantic batteries in it, but I have a power cord which goes to the red one, and it can be used on this also, so you don't need the batteries. But this one does have the batteries in it.
So, and it hurts my ears just to have you standing. You speak, that's the way you normally speak, but it hurts my ears because I have... So I just stopped that and I give you an idea what it sounds like.
So when I play the tape from this in there, it's louder than this speaker is. So that does a very good job. But they're both very good. And the thing about those little speakers on there, which you see here, they are stereo. And the sound on these is really excellent. And of course, as I say, you can carry it around anywhere with you. So this is what is called G. That's a separate letter. And then the next letters after it with a little space between them is Keni. So you purchase these, and one is portable with the batteries and one is portable with the cord. It's both are very, very good in sound, especially, and they do play tapes, and usually that speaker will play the stereo tapes if they are in stereo. So these are both excellent devices.